For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us, just check the description. Green Metaverse Token Cost Expectation. In the unlikely event that you're looking at the GMT coin cost prediction or noticing the capacity of Green Metaverse Token, this long-worth figure can be valuable for you. Our Green Metaverse Token, GMT, coin cost guess, relies upon a significant specific examination and the past show of the GMT coin. Here we will endeavor to research the ability of GMT coin eventually. Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is today one of the most popular Web3 and Metaverse projects keeping watch. As data gathered from the Endeavor's webpage, Green Metaverse Token is a Web3 lifestyle application with social parts and gamification parts. The Green Metaverse Token users can make appealing pay by walking, running, or running outside. Green Metaverse Token, GMT, is the organization identification of the Green Metaverse Token Natural Framework that has a confined stock of 6 billion tokens. Green Metaverse Token at present stands at $0.87 United States dollars, with a market capitalization of $515,168,886, making it rank 231 in the guideline coins list. GMT has a 24-hour volume of $2,347,252,863, as shown by Tech News Leader Price Index. The worth of the Green Metaverse Token has changed 16.12% in the beyond 24 hours. In latest, the expense of Green Metaverse Token has a separation of 9.62%. It is limited to the best hold of 8,834,956 coins. As demonstrated by the latest data amassed, this expense of Green Metaverse Token is 86 cents, and GMT is at present situated number in the entire crypto organic framework. The core supply of Green Metaverse Token is 600 million with a market cap of $515,158,856. With an extension in its trading volume and market cap, the Green Metaverse Token's expense has shown a good augmentation of 29.46% at this point. From the latest 7 days, the GMT was in an extraordinary vertical example and extended by 168.51%. Green Metaverse Token has shown very great potential as of late, and this could be respectable and open way to make a plunge and contribute. Regardless, after the differentiating this expense and late days cost history, it is seen that Green Metaverse Token has extended 94.234% in its worth. The ordinary most minimal expense for the month is $0.050, while the best typical expense was $0.050. This surmises that this coin is a proper asset and one more extension to your plan of coins for the long stretch. The 90 days cost change is around 92.63%, and the expense moved from a base typical expense of $0.063 to the best ordinary expense of $0.063 in the past 90 days. In the last 4 months, Green Metaverse Token has shown a creating design. Thus, we accept that tantamount bits of the market were very notable at that period. According to the latest data accumulated, the trading volume of Green Metaverse Token is extended from 4 months. The trading volume lays out a basic work in its expense. The coin is up by 93.76%, with the most outrageous ordinary expense of the coin being around $0.050, and the base typical expense of was around $0.050 past 4 months. Green Metaverse Token, GMT, price prediction forecast for 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025 and 2030. We expect future Green Metaverse Token expense assumptions GMT gauges, by applying significant man-made thinking, help specific analysis of the past worth data of Green Metaverse Token. We give a fearless work to accumulate the most outrageous chronicle data for the GMT coin, which integrates various limits like past expense, Green Metaverse Token market cap, Green Metaverse Token volume, and relatively few more. Expecting you are wanting to place assets into mechanized cryptographic types of cash and need extraordinary benefit from your endeavors, try to scrutinize our conjectures. Green Metaverse Token Price Prediction 2022. According to our significant specific assessment of past worth data of GMT, in 2022, the expense of Green Metaverse Token is expected to arrive at any rate level of 48 cents. The GMT cost can show up at a biggest level of 57 cents, with a typical trading cost of 49 cents. Green Metaverse Token Price Prediction 2023. The expense of Green Metaverse Token is expected to arrive at essentially a level of 71 cents in 2023. The Green Metaverse Token expense can show up at a most outrageous level of 86 cents, with a typical expense of 74 cents all through 2023. GMT price forecast for 2024 to 2025. As per the assessed cost and concentrated assessment, in 2024 the expense of Green Metaverse Token is expected to reach at any rate level of 99 cents. The GMT cost can show up at a most outrageous level of $1.26, with a typical trading cost of $1.02. The expense of one Green Metaverse Token should arrive at essentially a level of $1.40 in 2025. The GMT cost can show up at the best level of $1.73, with the ordinary expense of $1.44 all through 2025. Green Metaverse Token Price Prediction 2026. Green Metaverse Token expense is assessed to show up all things considered decreased possible level of $2.02 in 2026. As indicated by our revelations, the GMT cost could show up at the most outrageous possible level of $2.44, with a typical measure cost of $2.09. Green Metaverse Token Price Prediction 2027. As shown by our significant particular assessment of past worth data of GMT, in 2027, the expense of Green Metaverse Token is expected to be at around a base worth of $3.11. The Green Metaverse Token worth can show up at a constraint of $3.63, with a typical trade worth of $3.19 in United States dollars. Green Metaverse Token, GMT, Price Prediction 2028. The expense of Green Metaverse Token is expected to arrive at any rate worth of $4.31 in 2028. The Green Metaverse Token expense could show up at the best worth of $5.26, with the ordinary trading cost of $4.47 all through 2028. Green Metaverse Token Price Prediction Forecast 2029. As per the check and concentrated